Let's do a quick Stitch makeup look. Using the ColourPop Toy Story palette and Stitch palette. With the light blue and then kind of using this one too. Also, I don't have my mirror in here, so we're just gonna have to go for the bust. And now we're going to do the darker blue. And now using the Stitch palette, do Fluffy. Now kind of blend that in. There's the eyeshadow look. Now let's do this color kind of up here. Oh yeah. And there's our finished eyeshadow look. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetics in the color Nola. It's kind of a blue color, like kind of a navy blue kind of color. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just touch it again. And there's our mascara. Let's do some glitter. Use this glitter. Whoa, that's a little close to my eye. See the sparkles? Lip gloss, we're going to use the Buzz Lightyear lip gloss because it's really pretty purple sparkles. And here's our finished Stitch makeup look. Hope you have a great day. And all the products I use will be in the description.